Welcome back to the Bear Sisters, and today we're making carrot cake blondies. I think we'll be doing 2 videos on this. Rosie, you can look at the camera. So we have got plain flour, melted margarine, which looks like the yolk of an egg,
and some carrots,
we have
some
grated
yolks.
carrots, eggs. We have mixed spices and some salt in here. We have vanilla extract. Smells very strong. And brown sugar. And spoons. And a tray which we have
Covered in butter.
and our
Mixer.
And we have some carrots to decorate, but we'll probably be doing that in the next video. So, let's get started. So, preheat the oven to 175 Celsius. Have we done that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mix the melted margarine, brown sugar, and vanilla together until smooth. So,
I want to get the vanilla.
Wait. Did it say brown sugar? How much brown sugar do we use? Brown sugar.
I'll put all of this.
30 grams of brown sugar.
Mm.
So what's 30 grams?
It's all of it.
All of it. Don't we need some for the other ones? Oh yeah.
Sorry.
How do I do this? Look at it. It's like kinetic sand. Look at it. Should I just use my hand and pull it out?
Put it in.
Look at it. Wait for it. It's gonna splash everywhere.
Do a bit lower.
No, I will need the foot.
Yeah. Put it in.
That's all of it. Careful, Rosie, do not spill that. Pour it all in. It looks like golden syrup.
You got the teaspoon for it.
Teaspoon.
Was it?
Teaspoon for this.
Mm-hmm.
I already poured it all in.
No, you didn't.
And do you need any flour?
No, that's in the next step, I think.
Right. Are you
I
ready?
would be
Hang
feeling
on. Yeah, but make sure to fold it down.
Want to help it? Do it.
Boom. Come on, but we'll do it. Where should we put the spoon? We'll just put the spoon in the sink.
Yep.
There we go. So the next one is beat the egg and egg yolk, but we're gonna pour it in there so it can beat after a minute. Just keep an eye on it, Dad. It says, let's put it in.
Stick it on until smooth.
Where's the vanilla?
That's smooth, yeah. Needs a bit longer. Looks like golden syrup.
Nice
Or
then.
maple syrup. So, the egg. I found a bit of shell in the egg.
Oh.
You might need adult supervision for this.
And if you're doing this, you would need an apron. But my sister is not wearing an apron.
No, I don't want to.
No, if she's wearing clothes, she can get dirty though, isn't she?
Yeah.
Right, let's put them in.
Hang on. Do we need to, yeah.
We need
Rosie. The noise when I put it on.
Okay. What next?
And next, fold in the carrots. So, do we need a spoon? Or do we just pour the whole
No.
entire bowl?
Lift up.
Yeah.
So,
Next, is it going to be the flour?
How do you
put the bowl down, lift up.
lift it up?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. Doesn't look that pleasant. It's that's.
The bottom.
Ugh, it's stuck.
Put it over.
I love carrot cake. It's my favorite cake. At my school, they only do carrot cake very rarely. I'm not a big fan of raw carrots. There's a fact about me. Is that good?
Yep.
We're gonna have to, when we close the lid, Dad, we're gonna have to adjust. So,
Okay. You want to hold it?
close, adjust.
Put that back on. Okay.
Wait, how do you?
Right, next.
Me.
Add the flour. I think. Do we need to mix that? It
No,
doesn't
it's
say mix it.
Fold. Right, come on.
Add the flour, mix spice and salt, and mix until combined. Optional. You can add some chopped up pecans or
Can you lift
walnuts
that up?
to mix at this stage, but we're not going to do that one. Oh, Rosie, you're a professional. Go,
Well then.
go, go.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh, don't drop it. What? This.
Well then, Rosie.
I'll do the
Right.
last.
Next bit.
You do that part? This
Well
is
done.
just water in here, by the way. It's just water.
Okay.
I'll watch it. Otherwise,
Dad, do we need to use water in this stage? Okay.
What's next?
Next, grease the foil tray, which we've already done, and pour the mixture smooth on top and bake for 32 to 35 minutes.
Okay.
The edges should be brown and center should be set.
Well, what next?
Look.
You two chefs, let me know.
That's okay. That's fine. How do I turn it off?
this side.
No,
This side.
Correct. Right. Can you lift it up for me, Rosie?
Yeah.
Big push up.
push up. Good girl. So,
Strong.
I think this is where we'll be doing 2 videos because
No, don't do that.
the
I'm
videos we're
scooping
doing
it off.
are only allowed to be
Okay.
15 minutes long. So, we're going to have to...
Give that.
Doesn't look...
Off, yeah.
It doesn't look pleasant. Why are you showing them it when it doesn't look pleasant?
There's nothing wrong with carrot cake and batter.
It does not look pleasant.
First this one.
No. That looks disgusting.
I'm not running with the lost thing.
Right.
I like how you put it right in front of me.
Go on the edges.
Okay.
Just give it a quick mix around, and I need to pour it onto the tray. I'll leave the tray next to you.
It's like bouncy.
Oh, coconuts.
Look at this.
Alright, you gonna pour it on the tray then?
Hang on, I need to get some. Around the edges, there's still some flour that I keep getting off.
Can I take this off because it?
Have it like that. You can be like a kind of a professional chef who has theirs down at times.
Yeah.
Now, can I have my foot?
Right. Do you want me to hold it and you pour it out?
I'll hold it and pour it out.
I want to
Okay.
put some.
You can level it, Rosie.
No, it's
We'll
level.
give it, make it all nice and the same level across it all. Very good.
I don't know how to do
This
this.
is really heavy.
This ball.
It's a
Does it
really
smell
weird.
nice?
When at school, whenever they have carrot cake, it's very gingery.
The ginger's from the mixed allspice normally. Right.
There's still lots more in here.
Okay, do you want to just give your hand?
Actually, whilst Rosie's trying to smoothen it out, I'll get a spoon and I'll try.
So
And
into the corners.
I'll use this to try get the rest out.
Yeah.
Some of it's getting into the other ingredients.
You need to be strong to mix lots of batter because it can be really hard.
Very good. Into the other corners as well, yeah.
Rosie, my sister, we have got some more butter. Ooh, that didn't go very well. Really butter. If you don't know, a blondie is like a brownie but without chocolate.
Yeah.
I didn't know that until my parents told me that before we did the video.
There's some more
Before we did this video.
down the end. So it's the same level.
Stop holding my hands.
Stop.
And then I'm going to put some in the bits that need some more.
Try to get the last parts out and then that's how much I have left to get, but just not that much. Rosie, I've got the last load of it. There, sorry.
You can get some of the bits off on the side.
Alright, should we get that in the oven then, Rosie?
Yeah, Rosie,
Rosie?
you've got lots of butter on
Right.
the spoon and not that much on the tray.
I just want to lick the spoon.
You can have a look afterwards. Right, mine out. Let's step back because it's...
Johnny
Hot
Chin.
oven! This is why you need adult supervision, unless you are old enough to do this.
Like
Bye.
41.
Bye-bye.
Can I lick this spoon
Go
now?
on then. Have a taste.
I'm just gonna. It's so sugary. Tastes like a crunched up shortbread biscuit.
Oh, very nice.
We'll see you in the next video, part 2 of this. That's it.
Bye.
Bye.